G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing another game review. This is game review number 3. The game is called Granny, so hit the like button and the subscribe button, and let's go check out Granny. Let's go. Best played with headphones on, noise cancelling preferred. You want to submerge yourself into this. Let's go check it out. Let's see if I can crap my pants while playing Granny.
I feel scared.
Got 5 days to get out. There's day 1 gone. So there's some ads in the game. Now, compared to playing another game like, I don't know, Sling Drift, the one I reviewed last time, or Love Balls, there was ads all the time. In this game, there's been one ad in 8 minutes, and that's right on the money for me. So for the ads category, I'm going to score this 4 out of 5. Now, ease of use, I've got to say that it's definitely up there. So you're scrolling along with one hand, and you pick up and put things down with the other, and drop things with the same hand, open doors with the same hand. You point to a door and the hand will pop up, you press the button and it opens the door for you. And squat or stand with the other hand. Really basic. 3 virtual buttons, that's all you need to control the game, so it's very basic. 4 out of 5. So the next area for scoring I've put down is excitement. Now, I wouldn't say it's exciting, but it causes a whole heap of anticipation It's a bit like Thriller, so it's like you're scary, you're on the edge of your seat, you're waiting for something to happen. So it's the same effects as Excitement, but you're not excited, you're actually a little bit scared, a little bit frightened, a little bit on the edge of your seat. So I'm going to give that 4 out of 5 as well. So my next area for scoring and my last area for scoring is addictiveness. This one's not too high. Look, for someone like me, I'm happy to put it down because I'm a little bit faint of heart. So I'm going to give it 3.5 stars out of 5. So that's 3 stars out of 4. Excitement, ease of use, and ads or lack of ads all scored 4 out of 5. And then addictiveness, I put it down to 3.5 out of 5. It's pretty easy to pick up. It's easy to play. There's not many ads. It causes a bit of a heart flutter for Excitement, but I can put it down just as easy and not pick it up again for another day or two. So definitely for this game, I'm going to give it 3.5 stars for addictiveness. So that's roughly a total score of 3.8 out of 5. Definitely download it for a little bit of fun. Put on the headphones, you can't hear anything else. You're going to enjoy it, or maybe you won't because you're going to be frightened. All of a sudden that lady just jumps out of nowhere. She's scaring you. Now, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Comments down below. If you recommend a game for me to review, put it in the comments down below. We'll catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching this one. Check you later.